You can even aim for a broader audience. You can decide to show your adverts on any website that fits into general, high-level topics like cinema or art, instead of targeting specific websites. You can even target specific groups of people and even the things they do online, regardless of the sites they are browsing. Depending upon what options your ad network offers, you might be able to target by gender or age group, or by very specific locations such as people who are located on a university campus. You can even target people who have demonstrated an interest in film based on the kinds of websites they have visited in the past. Finding the right audience to target is essential, but your display campaign also needs actual adverts to show them. With display advertising, you have lots of options for what form they might take or how they can look. There are banner adverts in all sorts of shapes and sizes, and video adverts that can use motion and sounds to show what's going on behind the scenes of your podcast. There is no reason why you can't use many different kinds of adverts. In fact, you'll be maximizing all the potential places where adverts might appear. Just remember, you will want to match the content with the audience you are targeting. Thank you so much.